how to download apps without payment method on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open your App Store in your mobile device. Then simply tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner. Then once you're in the profile, tap on your profile icon in the top as in your name. After that, the page is fully loaded. Then tap on the country or region option available there. Now simply continue with the process. After that, it might take some time to load, but tap on the change country or region in blue highlights. Then simply choose any country you are living on and tap on it. After that, confirm the tap and tap on the agree option available in the top right corner to agree the terms and condition provided by App Store. Then tap on the none. In payment method, you can see there is the credit card or non option available there. Simply tap on the none and fill out the required information. So after that, you can download the apps without payment method on iPhone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.